Right now, I am going to show you how to test your batteries to see if they still have any life left in them using a digital multimeter like this one. So there's tons of different sizes and shapes when it comes to these multimeters, but a lot of them have very similar functionality to it. You've got your test meters or your terminals, your leads, where you're going to have a red one and a black one, and then you're going to have different terminals which you can plug those in. So typically you're going to take the black lead in terminal and plug it into the COM, right? The center one, it says COM for common, that's your neutral. And then the positive one, in this case, we're going to plug it in the one that says BATT, but this is great for if you want to test your voltage, ohms, amps, or do a diode test. So we're going to plug that into this one on this side. Over here, you've got 10 amp. You might have other ones. Those are for other things. In this case, this is what we're going to use for batteries. So now we're just going to turn it on using the switch here in the center. And what we're looking for is a battery section or a direct current section. So batteries are direct current, so you'll have a V with a straight line, and that is for direct current. The V with the squiggly line is for alternating current. So let's go ahead and start here with our AA battery. You can look it up online, it's really easy to find, but AA batteries have 1.5 volts. You can just look up how many volts should this type of battery have, and then you can test. So here we're going to put our black, our negative, on the negative or neutral side here, and then we'll put our red on the positive, and we should see a reading here on the multimeter, and you're right at 1.51 there. So that's good because this is a brand new battery and it should have that. Here, I'll turn on the backlight here so you can see a little better. Now we're going to test the 9-volt battery. I pulled this out of a piece of equipment that said it had a low battery warning. So here we're going to find the positive terminal here. So again, we're going to put on negative first, then we'll put on positive, and we'll see what we get a reading here. So there you go. So indeed, it was running low, and that's why I was getting the low battery warning. So there you go. That's how to quickly test your batteries using a digital multimeter. If you want to know more about this multimeter and how to use it, maybe to check an outlet, I have a video that you can check out about that next.